How to clear app cache on iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to clear app cache on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to free up some storage without completely deleting your app or losing your account data. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of the apps installed on your iPhone, along with how much storage each one is using. Find the app that's taking up a lot of space and tap on it. You'll see an option called Offload App. Tap on it to remove the app while keeping its documents and data stored on your iPhone. Once the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App to download it again. This can help reduce the storage used by the app while keeping your existing app data, so you may not need to sign in again. If you want to take an additional step, open the App Store and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Depending on your iOS version, look for Personalized Recommendations and select Clear App Usage Data if that option is available. This can clear usage data used for personalization and reset some recommendation-related information. And that's how you can clear app cache and free up some storage on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.